In this video clip, I'll be talking about corded versus cordless reciprocating saws. The reciprocating saw itself, whether corded or cordless, is exactly the same. You have a variable speed trigger switch on both of them. You have the quick release for the saw blades. However, there are a few pros and cons for each one. On the corded model of reciprocating saw, you are limited by the length of cord. For instance, if you have a 6-foot cord, you can only work within a 6-foot radius. However, you can hook up an extension cord, but then you have to haul an extension cord around and make sure your extension cord is of the proper rating. On the other hand, one of the big positives of a corded reciprocating saw is that you have consistent power, meaning the battery isn't going to run out when you're making your cuts. With a cordless reciprocating saw, you don't have to worry about being bogged down with a cord. However, you do have to worry about running out of battery. In addition, with it being cordless, it is a little bit more mobile, and you can get into corners and other areas a little bit easier because you don't have to worry about the cord. Now, in my personal opinion, a cordless reciprocating saw has a little less power. All in all, I would recommend picking a reciprocating saw based primarily on what you're going to use it for most.